certificate. Then it's Momin Amin. Momin Amin is also the student of Zeba Institute of Inclusive Education. So they will be receiving the felicitation certificates plus mementos from Dolphin International School, Pulwama. Then it's the turn of Muhammad Ebrar. Muhammad Ebrar is also the student of Zebaba Institute of Inclusive Education. Then it is Kausar Jan. Kausar Jan from Zebaba Institute of Inclusive Education. Calling some students from Dolphin International School as well. So, Azan Ashik from Dolphin International School. Azan Ashik from Dolphin International School. Azan Ashik from Dolphin International School. Then it's Aman Dar from Dolphin International School. Then it's Izzatul Nisa from Dolphin International School.
Man, hold karo.
Then it's Mahreen Riaz from Dolphin International School. Then Mir Muhammad Afan. Be ready, Mir Muhammad Afan.
Wait.
Now Saliha Jan from Zeba Institute of Inclusive Education. Saliha Jan is hearing and speech girl child. So Saliha from Zeba Institute of Inclusive Education. Then Sehran Gawhar will be ready. Sehran Gawhar from Zeba Institute of Inclusive Education. Now it's Mehran Shakil from Zeba Institute of Inclusive Education. Faika Isaac from Zeba Institute of Inclusive Education. Then it's Musaddiq Rafiq from Zeba Institute of Inclusive Education. Then it's Muhammad Irfan Kasana from Zeba Institute of Inclusive Education. Now I will be calling the names of students of Dolphin International again. So Ehsan Mudassir, be ready. Ehsan Mudassir, be ready. Ehsan Mudassir. Then Samil from Dolphin International School. Then it's the turn of Khalif Kar. Then Al-Salah Sajjad. Arib Rana.
अक्सला यहाँ आ जाओ बीच में.
Then Afan, be ready. Afan,
एक सेकंड अक्सला.
be ready only.
Thank you.
Please come, Afan. Afan is a student of Dolphin International. Then Tawfiq, be ready, please. Be ready only. Tawfiq. यही करूँगा. Anik Parvez from Dolphin International School. Now there will be 3 more felicitations for the students of Zebaba. Zadul Islam. Zadul Islam, student of Zebaba Institute of Inclusive Education. Then Naveed Hussain. Naveed, be ready, please. Naveed Hussain.
हाँ आ जाओ मैम
Then it's Shahab Shaukat, be ready.
अहमद होल्ड